Everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we're changing out our tail light. We're upgrading it to 2005 model tail lights. One of our tail lights is chipped and broken right here. So I was able to get a really cheap set of 2005 and newer MDX. Here's the upgraded model. Go ahead and pry off this little plastic tab, top and bottom. There you go. Then you'll expose the Phillips screw. Phillips screw top and Phillips screw on the bottom. Bottom and top. With this, it's clipped in there, so you just have to unclip it. So do you see the wire harness is right there? We need to unplug the harness from down here. So grommet, there we go, and unplug this. Okay. So these are our wires. Grab the tail light and plug it in. Let's go ahead and put this in. So do you see the two pegs right here? One on the top, one on the bottom. Make sure it goes into those little plastic holes right there. Okay, so make sure these snap in, and then you replace the two screws right here, and then cover the cap. It's pretty simple. All right, that works pretty well. Here's our broken one. We'll go ahead and switch this one too. Expose the two Phillips screws that are underneath. So I use this as a handle. There we go. This, you just basically push it down and remove it off the metal. Press this tab, release this connector. Everything's plug and play. All right, here's our new tail light. Everybody has the harness on it and everything. Let's see what the difference is behind on the backside. I'm just kind of curious if it's all the same bulbs. So, right tail light and right tail light. All right, so they're very different. These are different. So reverse light, reverse light. Okay, so both of the harnesses are different. Do you see the connectors are different? These are the large connectors, small. These have two small connectors and then two large ones. And this one is, turn signal is large. Will it fit? Let's see. No, there's no way that's gonna fit. Do you see it's completely different, the tabs? This has a 4, this 3. So the harness is not interchangeable, but this plugs in perfect to our vehicle. So if you were wondering if you need the complete harness too, yes, you need the whole harness in order to make it work. Go ahead and plug this in. There's the two little pins in first on the side. Line up the pins. Right. Press it and make sure it clicks. Let's put the two screws in. cap. And the top too. All right. Done. No more broken corners on our taillight. All right, let's test it out again.